What's going on? Welcome to Thumb Tacos. I just had a video hit over 200,000 views, and the kicker is it was a VOD, a video on demand. It wasn't even live. I'm going to show you how and why this is happening. As always, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Look, I'm not going to pretend to know all the answers to why this is going on, but I'm going to tell you how I've insulated my operation so if this ever happened, it would be worth a damn going further down the road. I am not making this up. I just recently had a video go semi-viral. It was a VOD. It was a speed run of Mario, and it's been climbing and getting me tons of followers, tons of reactions, tons of comments every single day. And it just got picked up. Facebook just picked it up, and the algorithm is going and throwing it and throwing it and throwing it. Now, the reason behind why this is happening is because it's holding a 1-minute retention rate. What does that mean? It means that when people open the video and they watch the video, it keeps them there for at least a minute. And that tells Facebook that it's a good video and it keeps people's attention. So it sends it to more people, and it just keeps sending it to more people. What I did with this video that I do with most of my videos is I had my same tags I usually have at the end of my description, which is hashtag retro gaming, hashtag Facebook gaming. It's hashtags that I put in the description all the time. I have no idea if they have a real effect, and I have them in other videos, and this has never happened before. The other side of the coin is the description was a speed run practice. And then my video game had a timer on it, and I was running Super Mario World. So that's another way of engagement, but here's the actual kicker. This is why I suspect this video is doing so well, and this is the last time I think I'm going to bring this up because the proof is in the pudding. I've been saying it for video after video after video after video, and there are people still ignore this feature on Facebook Gaming. I trim my videos. I trimmed that video down right to the start of a speed run on Mario. It wasn't even a good video. It wasn't even a good speed run. It was engaging because it had the title, it had the timer, and we just rolled. As soon as they clicked on that video, it was already starting. You were already at the beginning starting line for the video. Replay value on Facebook Gaming is a huge feature part of growing a channel on Facebook Gaming. This is a huge part of why my channel has grown. I've always managed to get hundreds of views while I wasn't live. I've always managed to get followers in when I wasn't live, because I took the time to trim my videos to some type of point of interest. And if the video was really good at that point of interest, I would even consider boosting a post if it was really good. But I've never seen a video take off like this. I've never had anything like this happen to one of my VODs. And I find it extremely interesting. I'm keeping an eye on it, even to the point of making this video. My video is still growing. It was at 200,000 earlier today. It's at 205 at the end of my stream. It's still growing. And this is a video that I shot 5 days ago, and it started growing 2 days after that shooting. So it's kind of a confusing lump, but when you go through your analytics, you can actually find when they describe why this video is taking off. They talk about the 1-minute views being the kicker. So trim your videos. Do yourself a favor. Just get in the habit of doing it. It takes 2 minutes to trim your videos, and you can always find some form of interest or make a note when you're streaming when something exciting happens, so you can go right to that. Now here's the other kicker. I just had a video that was live that almost hit 1,000 viewers. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because next week's video is going to be breaking down why that happened and how that all worked out. Things are really crazy on my page right now, and I promised you guys as I made this content I would keep you in the loop on things that I'm learning as I'm growing. Well, I've hit a major bump in the algorithm, and this is the first part of that, so make sure you guys are subscribed up so you can keep up with the future content. I do appreciate it, and you guys, we'll see you next week.